welcome and happy seeding 2021. We've missed you guys, and we're excited to see you here as you pick up your seed this year. We have put together a bunch of goodie bags for when we see you. What are in those goodie bags, Larry?
Well, in these goodie bags are packages to keep every producer going. Cookies, crackers, granola bars, waters, you name it, the nutrients you need for those long hours.
So we're going to keep you entertained and fed while you're here at the site. But the more exciting thing is this year that we have golden tickets. We are playing off of the Willy Wonka theme, and we have 5 golden tickets with free seed that we are excited for someone to win. So we're going to be placing these in all of these bags and sealing them up for when you come.
And this free seed is going to be valued, depending on the item, anywhere from $750 to $1,000. So be sure to thoroughly look in your bag and make sure you don't miss out on your win ticket.
And if you win, you get a tour of the seed making factory, just like on Willy Wonka.
But don't worry, you won't disappear.
Perfect. So all the best in the spring seeding. Can't wait to see you guys. Talk to you soon.